Yes, now welcome once again to another RNG of Eurobolians as we, the Republicans, don't kind of come again based on say we'll be giving all the updates from inside the world of European leagues and how it take happen for weekend. And we don't come with another edition. Get my guns inside the studio. Remember, so if you subscribe to this channel for YouTube, now Football Republic NG, NBD handle, or more or less, yes, the channel name, now Football Republic with a K, 9B, that one on top YouTube. Try and subscribe so that you're going to get more notifications once we drop all our hot videos. And Shapali Moku start from inside the EPL match. We happened over the weekend. Manchester City beat Arsenal 5-0. And Moku start from the tactical lineup where Arsenal you start because now there many Arsenal fans take the worry, take the complaint, take the shout. In fact, many of them talk say the way they use playboy that day say it no make sense. And Jovita, make I start with you with the way the man himself, Mikel Arteta, take start that one way consign the match against Manchester City. 5 defenders, 4 midfielders, 1 attacker. Even though we know say the midfielders, they rotate, they feel go front, go attack, they feel change formation. But the truth of the matter be say, this formation, Arsenal be like say they don't even get bite. They don't get anything to offer on the day before the red card and even after the red card.
I go talk say no be say they no get anything to offer. The man no say he don't lose even before the game starts. That's why he bring this kind of formation come. Where be say he carry 5-4-1 formation come. He no say he don't lose because playing against a team like Manchester City and playing against Pep Guardiola. Now man will be say he don't learn, he don't understudy under and before he come Arsenal. So no say no stand chance. All this one way they do na buga to think they take things say maybe Ingo fit do something, but at the end of the day, nothing come out from him. Fantastic player, but the thing be say the defense line. Fact, I don't just understand this the way you do here.
Objection.
But then the defense line get as it be.
He get as it be.
Because
people been a complaint basically. Buchi, before I come to you, make I still stick with Jovita. People
No,
been a
stick with
complaint.
that now. Who wants to do it?
People been a complaint about Kolasinac. Say Kolasinac never played center of defense before. Why you go put him there? Why you not just play, okay, Cedric Suarez, we want to see him play center of defense. Why you not play him for center of defense instead of playing Suarez for right back?
For Mikel Arteta, I'm a very confused person. Maybe he don't look and say with the guy, say that guy be like Akpobi, get Akpobi. Maybe don't feel say maybe he go stop the attack of Pep Guardiola, but unfortunately, the way they carry plan and nobody the way we say things carry pan out for him. And at the end of the day, he pay heavily, not just 1 goal, no be 2. 5-0, 9 then chop. What it don't happen.
It don't happen. Well, Buchi, for Arsenal, for the life of me, I don't know which way forward for them.
This lineup.
Which way forward for them, but you believe you still want to talk about the lineup?
Yes. By the way, Kolasinac don't play 3 at the back before he don't play this position before.
3 at the back?
Yes, 3 at the back. Odin go be the last man. Kolasinac go there, TNA go dey run, they go for. He don't play him multiple times before. Yes, he no do better job, but he don't play him before. The issue with Kolasinac playing there now, because you talk say Saliba not they good enough to play for your team, and player where you sent on loan last season. Where you don't need, you can't they play him now back again. It lead to the confusion of Arteta. We have my issue there for this team. Now the middle, you only get 1 defensive
holding midfielder
against a lot of attacking creative players against Manchester City. That now Boko Haram, very very crazy. Only 1. You can't get Odegaard. We never played CM before. Karim Smith will come back. Saka will be attacker. Like if you look the match well, Arsenal don't even play ball come up for midfield.
That's not my problem with that, Buchi. What's it happened to Arsenal that we say he come play say no if he play ball?
Now the same
because
now.
The normal Arsenal will no. Normally they go at least pass ball, play ball together.
Now
but this
fear.
one, they don't even play ball.
No be fear.
Now fear.
See, no be fear. Now man,
he knew he had lost the game. Even playing against Pep Guardiola with this set of players.
Jovita, calm down. Now see, look this squad now. Holding day. Suarez Day, Leno Day, Tierney, Kolasinac, Xhaka Day, Saka Day. Aubameyang Day when Arsenal beat City. The same 3 at the back for FA Cup semi-final. I remember well where Arsenal beat this same Manchester City team. What you doing for this match now? Say
you don't know say against Arsenal.
Calm down.
Look,
I explain. Him don't they confused in the sense say he don't know waiting and waiting is supposed to. This is not the first time where Arsenal go play 3 at the back this season. Arsenal and 2 at the back after they play. And he want you to go defensive. But he don't know, so don't be about your defender. Now who go cover your defender? There was no covering. There was no transition from defense to middle to attack. And if there's no transition, Wahala go day. Now what cost Arsenal that match? If they let them play this match 220 times, Arsenal go still lose this match because the manager tactics they very off. And Pep Guardiola say he did very sad. See, not be today like man, maybe the man don't leave Arsenal. I mean, go to better thing.
So now the way forward for you be that make Arteta just come off.
They don't mismanage many things. Timmy, there's nothing you can do.
Timmy, just go.
And Jamaica cannot fix situation.
Timmy, I blame it on the breakfast he had that day.
Breakfast?
Yes, he mixed it
for 3 matches now. Don't they get bad breakfast?
A very, very bad breakfast. I will sack the chef. He mixed Ewedu and Costa together. Very, very bad mixture.
We don't chop 9 goals, never
My
score
brother,
1
you
goal.
won't believe it. It's his breakfast. Let me change it. You see the next game he will play.
Okay, Moku.
He's played against
Make me
Paris.
say Arsenal go fit come back, but a quick one, Jovita, about Pep Guardiola. 2 matches now on the bounce. They don't score 5 goals. They don't get striker, but they did score 5 goals.
Now waiting coach where they tactically and technically sound they do, even though say you go use what you get to get the desired result where say you define. And of course now waiting Pep Guardiola do. Now man where they read game most of the time. I dey always talk and say Pep Guardiola be like coach where they think too much. Every time where you see him, he dey plan strategy, he dey think, he dey plan, he go take attack the next game. And at the end of the day, you go see say the next game. After they lose, give what's it be their name? Tottenham Hotspur. Since that time, they don't score 10 goals. 5-0 against Norwich. 5-0 against Arsenal. 10 goals in 3 games.
And they don't get normal points mark. Gabriel Jesus, they play from the wings. You know, not be striker. Good one for
very
Pep
good
Guardiola.
mentality where in carry
Where
come.
he
Some
bring
kind
for the boys,
positive
yeah.
spirit where carry come. And of course, then they ride on them to make sure, say, at least this early on in season, before they begin play Champions League, begin play some other cups, make them fit grab the points where they fit grab now because Premiership this season go tough.
Well, Granit Xhaka get red card for that match, even though saying get red card, he not been chopped 2 goals before that red card. They can still add 3 on top after the red card. Bad one for Arsenal, bad one for Mikel Arteta. The way forward, like Gucci talk, now made them sack Mikel Arteta. Now
But
waiting.
Guardiola talks to me and no sack when they give him time.
Waiting go talk. Now no be boy before.
No be boy.
Now boy before now. Moving on to the next match, Liverpool against Chelsea, and Boku just talk about how Chelsea that match end 1-1. By the way, in case you never know, in case you're not aware. Yes, Liverpool Chelsea. The sweet thing, Bucci, now say Chelsea hold on to that 1 point for over 45 minutes. Tactical master defending from Thomas Tuchel.
We see coaching. We see coaching. Easy. And you just tell him, boys, we get nothing to lose here. One right back, more defender. If you look that match, well, Chelsea get chance to win that match.
Yes!
It has to do war of the. He get waiting one pass when Messi have no pass, and Lily enter this one slap him because it did obvious. Say Lukaku don't enter, pass the ball. I think Chelsea players try to overdo. That's now why they don't win Liverpool. So Liverpool a good team, but different deal within a well-drilled, well-coached team. And when they play 3 at the back, if you get a red card, it not go to really affect you because you get 3 steady defenders already. See, shout out to Thomas Tuchel. Every time.
Fantastic.
He will get in bad time. You know, the be human being.
Yeah, definitely.
All
Bad
coaches
time
they
go
get
come.
their good and their
Yeah,
bad time.
yeah,
but
yeah.
it depends how bad he go take you when he come. How many games he go lose. How many games he go draw. Chelsea fans, remember these small details and support the Jesus of Germany.
Good one for Chelsea, and you want to say as they pick 1 point against Liverpool. That
Yeah,
one
man,
still
I don't talk about
make them sit down as one of the top table leaders. Apart from Tottenham Hotspur, we don't gather 9 points from their first 3 matches.
For Chelsea.
And
Like Arsenal.
Jovita still staying with you. Manchester United being done equal the away unbeaten record of Arsenal. 27 matches last week when they go draw 1-1 with Southampton. But this time around, they carry that away unbeaten record, carry and go front to 28 matches for inside their waka so far. And you want to say this one a good one for them. Seeing that Ronaldo now come back still to Manchester United with their away record now we stand at 28 matches. You believe say maybe they don't get ginger now to go for the title.
He will be forever unbeaten. If Ronaldo
In
enter.
as much as I be one of those we happy say, hey, Ronaldo don't come back Manchester United after 12 years.
You
We
sure say
come
you
out.
happy?
I'm happy for them because I don't look nowhere where if he go. PSG, Messi did there. Even though I for like see 2 of them play for the same club. I don't look at Man City. You know, say he get some players who say get some kind of loyalty to certain clubs. So say they go talk say I no go ever play for your rival. And we know say Man City, Man U, then they drag for waiting they won't paint Manchester. So I would also say a very good one as he making decision come, but I feel same in as much as Ronaldo contribute to Juve. Remember, say Premiership 12 years ago, no be the same thing now. and him
No be
don't
goals
go
they
for
score.
age.
No be goals they use win.
And na goals and they use win Premiership, but also remember say age now no dey on inside.
Pattern and
I
style
no
don't
talk say
different.
e no go deliver anything for them, but I no sure say Man U go carry title this season. I no sure say they go carry title.
I do.
They go just
I do
try.
know.
But
They
you
go
what you
just
think?
try.
I think I dey hate when people try to use this age to try to disrespect Ronaldo. Well, I make my point now. I'm not talking your name. I'm talking about those outside.
Okay.
Plus, you will be their cheerleader.
Nah.
Like, it dey vex me
Ronaldo
because
protester.
if you don't watch Ronaldo over the years, nobody don't put the kind work when you don't put into this football work. Ronaldo can easily play till like in 40s. And that player will put more energy they play. A good example is Zlatan Ibrahimovic, which they play top football with AC Milan. Ronaldo, na beast. I remember when he started on Juventus, they talk say in the age at that time 35, but in get the immune system of a 26 years old. In the very, very fit. Getting social talk. Social talk say he like people when they talk nonsense about Ronaldo age. If you doubt Ronaldo, he will show you Pepe. This man easily he scored 30 goals in a season. No beans, no anything. And no come at me with that nonsense about adapting to the Premier League. The Premier League, honestly, make I talk now.
I
The
not say
Premier League
adapting, no.
is the easiest league anybody can play. No insult to anybody.
Even Bucci can play it. How easy it is.
It's not that hard. So that they do example, say Varane we won't. If you
He
get
get
sense,
assist. Varane get help goal
if you get
yesterday.
sense, you go play Premier League. It's hard to even adapt to the Italian Serie A, who they very physical, to the German Bundesliga, who they very technical, and also the Spanish La Liga, who they very sweet in terms of playing football. Most people they go like gra, mozu. That's when they get Traore, how they run up and down like Bewitcher. So, like, don't come, don't give me that. And the effects become that nonsense mentality about adapting. Ronaldo na king. And Ronaldo when he come Man, I know that they will give him trophy. And they say intake them from 50% to 100% progression.
Progression.
Ronaldo na king, Messi na God. Proceed.
No problem. Statistics, number don't lie. Number statistics wey dey like this.
Even when Messi go PSG,
Man U,
their
post-
numbers increase.
No, you keep Ronaldo.
In Instagram and everything.
Man U, see the post Man U put on Instagram about Ronaldo
Their
get
website
20.
crash.
Everything crash. Premier League website crash.
Man U website
crash. Nigerian website crash. Everywhere crash. See, I'm not
The reason
trying
why
to.
Messi
I'm
will
not
no
trying to
crash
look down on
because he has
Messi.
Messi on them.
No, I'm not trying to look down on Messi. But the biggest, not even football, sports brand influencer is Cristiano Ronaldo.
Agreed.
So
Yes.
anything what he do,
100%.
go bring in more numbers than Messi. So
Thank
no
you.
to Messi.
Thank you,
Ronaldo
Bucci.
is in levels
And,
ahead.
And I
I'll
just
be
want
mercy
to
for
correct
you
one
for that
statement.
question.
Quick one.
I
You get
no
less than
look
30
down.
seconds.
I no look down on Ronaldo.
Yeah, the
I no
please.
talk say whether in age go hinder am. Wetin I talk be say 12 years ago now he leave Premiership. Premiership
Red
go
card.
involve as well. And of course, if he go fit get chance to get plenty starting
The
time,
only thing we know about
maybe.
Premier League na money. TV rights.
Thanks to you. This same Premier
Na
League, I will
money.
see Ibrahimovic. Come, they
Yes,
score goals,
yes,
scatter.
yes,
Na
I
money.
agree.
So
I
all this,
agree.
all this
Football.
one about
You guys
Premier
don't know,
agree.
say he gets some
He not
herbal
come for
mixture
the
where they
second
take to
time.
make them
Make we
last long
watch
for these
and
40
see.
years.
Yeah.
Nothing you may watch Ronaldo and
Henri
see. You are
come for the
disrespectful.
second time is still shine. So
Ronaldo watch and
let's see
see.
what we they talk about.
Jovita, please drop that
And
cup.
Local talk say the table, Tottenham Hotspur and them don't
Hey.
get 100 over 100 from their first 3 matches. 9 points from their first 3
1-0,
matches.
1-0, 1-0.
And you want to say West Ham, Man U, Chelsea, Liverpool, Everton. All of them, they're on 7 points each. But table go see they separate himself by the time when John will mature on top of that table. And Arsenal, if they ask about Arsenal, you know where they did. They never get any points. Shingbai, they never get 0 points, then they did. And they don't chop 9 goals.
They have no points to
In
prove.
fact, then they're number 20. They have no points to prove. From there, we'll move on to La Liga. Sharply
Hey,
talk
this
about
is
what happened over the weekend for inside La Liga. Real Madrid beat Real Betis 1-0 for inside that match on Saturday. But Jovita, make I come to you. Real Madrid see they tried to won Colombia Mbappe. What do they think about this move for Mbappe? May them pay the 180 million where they don't put down, or may they just wait till January, sign up for pre-contract next season, join them for free. Which one you think say go pay for Real Madrid?
You know, say right now, Real Madrid be like say them they desperate. They don't submit the first bid, they don't reject them. Submit the second one, they don't reject them. Even PSG now they wait for an improved bid to see whether they will
PSG
sell.
they wait for 200 million euros.
Exactly, to see whether they will sell Mbappe. And the guy himself, no they happy. No be today don't they show in displeasure, say in no one stay, in one go. And of course PSG they try hold on. Not say they won't hold on to and they won't hold on for more money to see waiting. They want test the how we able to take talk and the result
Test the- and the
of
watching.
Real Madrid, and the guy is not happy. But even though say he no dey happy, he no go the way of Rabiot. Remember, I said that time where he talk say one go, he begin sit down for bench, then leave am for bench. He still dey come out, he still dey ginger, he still dey play, still dey improve himself so that in value no go drop. If Madrid go fit get that patient too, because more or less, be like say Madrid dey struggle right now. If they fit get that patient reach January, fine. He go still favour them. But the thing where they there be say, who knows wetin go happen by January? Nobody know anything will go happen by January. By January, this guy fit don change his mind.
So wetin the advice now for Real Madrid? Make them go all out. Sign up now.
If they get the pogri, fine. Make them go all out. But if they don't get the pogri, make them go for 5 player.
Because by January, wetin they talk now say by January Mbappe go become boss man for himself.
Exactly.
So he go fit sign pre-contract with any club of his choosing. As far as say sign new contract with PSG before that January, and by the time season go end for May June, he go become free agent to move to any club.
He go come per PSG.
But just tell us what you think about this one for inside the comment section. Tell us, should you think may Real Madrid continue to push from Mbappe, or may they just relax till January? Chillax till January when they go sign up pre-contract.
That's 5 months from now.
Yes, take them on the free for June next year. Moku see that one will go, but Buchi coming to you. You did that game between Barcelona and Getafe. Memphis Depay rise up against the occasion for Barcelona this time around. In third goal for inside La Liga. It be like be the savior now after Messi don't come out.
Maybe in step up. Step up.
He did.
And I be the good thing about him. I like the progression of Memphis Depay. Him na player we come at you know Depay indicate. But you start go Lyon. Lyon you start. That's why I tell you say this England team na just because a player no working, say no go work in that place. He go France, lift up himself, and now when they play for Barcelona, will be automatically right now bigger in terms of player quality than Manchester United. Him now winger, he like Swiss football, and they do so well for him. So I'm very, very happy for them. But I don't know they do this hype. Say Messi replace now. It's an insult to football. Say Memphis Depay.
But somebody will say if you look up to. Not be saying replace Messi.
It's even wrong to even look up to Depay for Barcelona.
So
he's a good player.
Who be their savior? Because right now he don't score 3 goals in 3 games.
That 3 games, don't worry. I they give exclusive. The next 15 games, only one go score. So not be sad they do.
You don't do meeting with the village people.
Not be sad do
He said in the next 15 games, only one goal he go score.
Watch.
Atletico Madrid
She's an Arsenal fan, they don't
against
get points.
Villarreal.
Points enter a vacuum.
Last minute equalizer from Atletico Madrid against Villarreal. In fact, now own goal, more or less. I don't know what they think. Where them allow that sky thing happen for last kick of the game, more or less.
Mandy.
Villarreal for just collect 3 points, and the waka between Diego Simeone and Unai Emery still continued. He never still beats Diego Simeone. No problem with that. So talking about the La Liga table, and as we right now, Real Madrid they on 7 points, Sevilla they on 7 points, Valencia, Barcelona, Atletico Madrid, Mallorca. In fact, 6 teams, 9 they on 7 points. We're still they unbeaten for inside La Liga. And moving sharply to inside the French League on, as I will dive into the matter, we concern PSG. The sweet thing, I said we've just been talking about Kylian Mbappe and whether I'm going to move to Real Madrid or not. But right now, it be like PSG self, they depend on them for goals. He scored the 2 goals where they used beat Reims 2-0 for that match. And you want to say fantastic one for Bucci, because the Bros, they perform. The Bros still they show in worth for PSG. Even though say one come out, instead they score goal. Now the joy when they give me now be that. You know they use that anger say, now no one make I go. They don't bring money, no one sell me.
Because now
you go there on top, you go see a score goal.
Now PSG they don't be Arsenal in there now. So it's the big team.
Okay.
You know they push for transfer because you know say in go fit at least achieve greatness with this PSG team with the coming of a Messi. He knows how they push, but he won't go. But you know they really say okay to drag the team to go, and also just get 1 year to go. And the owners of PSG don't they very good to them. Give them 6 new contracts in reject them. Say he don't want to go. So that's why they play and also be French, but of France already. So you need to deliver at least so the fans will come to the stadium, because if fans gonna know say you go strike to go, that now when you go you strike break that relationship. So him na man will get sense with good agents. He go sit in work. Is a professional football player. Not be every player be like the idiot Fabregas we go on loan to go Chelsea.
That's actually
Van Persie wey go strike to go Manchester United. These guys are loyal. A young boy, 22 years old, not the age, but he gets sense of 92 years old man.
Thank you. And Papito.
Yes, my brother.
Talking about Messi, you've been the Hillam when we talk about Barcelona.
guy.
And you want to talk saying replace Neymar for a match. Good debut for him. If you ask me, because finally you don't play first match for PSG.
Yes.
And what do you think saying go bring come PSG?
A lot of performance, greatness, tactical assistance in the
Enhanced
front.
performance.
You know perform now. You know perform.
Thank you. And Sexy Joe, for Neymar, we replace Messi. No, what thing go they expect going forward? Say now go come they replace Messi. No, they are two supposed to play together.
True, they are two supposed to play together, but then the man will be say they in charge, talking about Monsieur Pochettino, and I know how want take file in team, and of course, if one person will come up for the other person, after all, Ronaldinho no come up for Messi to enter, so what did they talk here?
But no, maybe are two they play on top field of play. Now,
Two of them to play the field of play. Maybe he don't look and say, since we say he no one start Messi, don't look and
Champions
say
League,
who
don't they
are
during the week?
Champions League.
So why come on Neymar?
Why no come out?
No be Neymar Messi. This
come
na
on,
No,
Neymar.
Messi, Neymar
come on,
come
Neymar,
out
put
put
I know.
Messi.
This na Neymar first game when they start.
So
Neymar no go play 90 minutes now.
Why
He
not?
never dey fully fit now.
Why not?
All together, they must surely play together. He does they come back
Apart
now.
from
This is the
that
first
one.
game when they start this season. From all the charade we do for a Copa America. I think that the plan say okay, Neymar come out, Messi enter, make all of us use to get
time.
They won't get the rhythm of the game now. Why? Do you understand what I'm saying?
Process of the procedure.
okay, the guys don't say that
Yes.
process for inside this matter because me I want to see
Respect the
Neymar,
process.
Messi. They play together for inside PSG and they're checking out their table. As he take B right now on top of the table, PSG with 9 points, maximum points. In fact, 12 points because they don't play 4 matches. 12 maximum points. Angers, Clermont-Foot, waving from League 2, enter French League 1. Themselves, they number 3 position with 8 points. The likes of Marseille, we win for themselves, they top 5 for inside that table. But Shapali Moko move on to inside the Serie A because plenty talking points there, and we'll go start from Lazio. We beat Spezia 6-1. Pucci, Maurizio Sarri,
My boy.
be like say you want to win Scudetto with Lazio.
Progress. I think Inter Milan go down and let Conte come out, bring in Inzaghi. While Lazio let Inzaghi come out, bring in Maurizio Sarri in terms of coaches. And also, you could about Lazio we say then keep most of their important players. Except for Korea, who just
We go
leave
Inter
now
Milan.
join Inter Milan. But then keep most of their most important players and they get a very good manager. That I want to talk, say, international this season go tough. Like fantastic managers. Jose Mourinho, Roma, Sarri, Lazio, Allegri, Juventus, Spalletti, Napoli. What's my guy name? What they for AC Milan to in OG to AC Milan himself.
Stefano Pioli.
Pioli in himself na OG
Fury,
to what again.
yeah.
What's
Very-
in the full name?
Don't worry.
What's in the full
I
name?
don't like to show myself.
Pioli.
Continue to talk,
Pioli.
Jeremiah.
So, so this now very competitive league. And shout out to Sarri too. Sarri get good
Shout out.
history. He entered the coaching job at a very, very, very late age. But he don't do so well for himself. Bring Napoli from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration to his
Hallelujah.
calming brain. And right now, he used to go Chelsea.
Osmosis.
But Sarri sets foundation of good football right there. Lampard nearly destroyed the foundation, and now Thomas Tuchel don't use that they carry over. This na fantastic coach, experienced OG. I wish Lazio the luck of best.
All the best for Lazio and Jovita coming to you talking about the man we go contest with Maurizio Sarri, Jose Mourinho in team still Mama Salernitana 4-0. The sweet news from that place and say the man himself wouldn't sign from Chelsea, Abraham Tammy, he's scoring first goal for Roma.
I tell you, say, Serie A this season go dey very tough. It go dey very difficult for that ginger of Juventus to come contest because everybody now don't wake up. People don't spend money this transfer window. They don't bring new coaches come on board. And by the result, we don't dey see say levels don't change for inside Serie A and things go change for the better. Yes, for Jose Mourinho, since we say he don't take over from Roma, we don't they see some kind positive. And as I take talk and I go still stand by him, I see Roma as title contenders for inside Scudetto this season where we dey inside. So and with the help of Jose Mourinho, coupled with the guys where we say they don't bring come. Now Tammy, they find today free for Chelsea to do it in no say in gets for in gets when he offer the club, they no allow him. Now it don't come where be say the coach go give you freedom to take express and of course he don't dey express am from all these things you go know say Roma then go be title contenders.
Roma go be title contenders according to Sexy Joe Vita. She believes that one will happen. But Moku Shepali check out the table because the big teams them win. Milan win, Inter Milan win, Lazio win, Roma win, Napoli win. All of them still there on 6 points each. But Buchi coming to you. Ronaldo come out for Juventus and then lose their first home match for the season against Empoli.
I not to say that one of the reasons why they lose. Empoli are a very good team too, but I think it happen once in a while. The problem now they lose when they go, lose when they come. That's the problem now, because with the level say Juventus they now, not trying to insult them. I think they go do job, but the manager is as good as the players when he gets. Look that Juventus team. Apart from pensioners, old men, once they play ball, but age definitely go catch up with you. If you get like 2 old men for team, fantastic. But if you get a aging squad and you don't really get young replacements, it go be problem. Allegri then go sack him very, very soon. In that man, you come, pursue Ronaldo. You won't use Eda 2.0, Eda Promas, replace Ronaldo. He never see anything at all. Juventus, I don't get expectations at all. From them this season. 3 teams you started hype this season, like the way I talk, Roma 2 go dead here, Lazio, AC Milan last season, and Napoli. Those 4 teams go cause small issue more than Juventus and Inter Milan.
Well, Jovita, you want to say Bucci no good say Empoli in a small team because for me, Empoli just they come from Serie B, they enter come beat Juventus. If you say Juventus still get that Kakaro to defend or to say they won't fight for titles with the big boys.
Juventus
without
get
Ronaldo.
But right now they know they the right frame because the man will be said and they call Maximiliano Allegri get plenty work to do on top of that team because right from time in talk and say he no want Ronaldo. Maybe he no plan himself well before they talk say no. Even before they sack and that period, but before he come back again. And Ronaldo don't think and say this man will no give me chance the first time. We talk say they no even buy me. At the end of the day, problem good they make I find my square root and find a square root come out. So I feel say for this time around Juventus go hard them small because the kind form where these other teams they Inter don't open that, you know, say na monopoly before lead them every year Scudetto back to back is a hit. Inter come break that lock and now everybody don't feel say if Inter feel win them after how many seasons where Juve don't hold this thing, we self go feed one. And from the result, from the ginger, see what happen now. They not only buy players, they bring coaches. Everybody they bring coaches where they feel say
bring new coach.
exactly no former old coach. Everybody bring
New coach.
bring coach
Then
come
go bring
because
old wife.
they don't see say look we can make serious because Ronaldo Waka comes here and an eye opener. He bring plenty market for them. He bring plenty revenue for them. Social
And he
media
bring
they
goals
blow
for
up.
them.
Yeah, he bring goals for them so they don't look
I
and
would have this
say
call
Serie
last
A the market. The market for Serie A now don't they strong back before that scandal will happen that time. And they don't see say they go leverage on Ronaldo what they did. They don't leverage on him and we don't see changes. Baton don't change hand. Inter win and the other
Baton.
time. Now you see how the table takes stand for only 2 games
might
so
be
they
my years what
play.
they run.
So anything still
Still
happen.
happen. And then moving on to Bundesliga.
your
As
poverty
we don't
race.
talk about Serie A, the results now we just look at Bayern Munich beat Hertha Berlin 5-0. The good news there, and I say Robert Lewandowski continued to score goals. Now he don't score 5 goals for inside the Bundesliga. The man with the full of Mayanya for back now. Erling Haaland, the man we don't score 3 goals for inside Bundesliga. Borussia Dortmund self them win 3-2. Last minute goal. Hoffenheim being equalized for 90th minute. Dortmund can't score the winning goal for Jara time. The last minute of Jara time to make sure say they
To save tickets.
all 3 points and also like Wichita
Save tickets.
to save tickets. And talking about their table, you want to talk say yes, the likes of Wolfsburg. Now them they top of the table right now, and Leverkusen still they follow them with Bayern Munich and Freiburg. All of them get 7 points, but Wolfsburg still the top with 9 points, and them don't get 100 over 100 from inside
It might
the
be back in
Bundesliga
the
first 3
days
matches.
where Wolfsburg win the league with Wagner Love.
Yeah.
And then the Dzeko
The
there.
man
remember
winning
that
out for them,
time.
maybe that man, the former Middlesbrough manager.
Manager. Who remember that guy?
We don't
What's
give the
his
floor
name?
now. We don't give the floor now. Continue.
You guys don't remember that guy?
No,
Just-
wait,
just
wait.
tell them.
No, wait.
You know, I know that they show message for Mondays. Just show them.
Analyze now, analyze. Analyze now, you have the mic.
Thank
Oh,
you.
Jerry, continue, Jerry.
Thank you.
It remind me go back to history because Wolfsburg are a traditional team. Again, one DM with them get. Chai, that man didn't get by head. The man help them win the league that time. If he repeats himself,
The
like
likes of Bardos,
talking about
the likes of
Naldo. No, Naldo.
Naldo.
See, if you mentioned Napoli. Monopoly. You mentioned Monopoly. What happened for Italy right there? For if they break that genes for Germany and that team would have Bayern Munich, you go switch for football. Wolfsburg. Well, Dortmund don't mess up. No, they hope on Dortmund. If you give them gates to go heaven, they go hellfire. So they need to and that thing to drown.
Dortmund self try them that time under your hand club. They try them
then win once.
But after that time, who they?
Nothing.
They don't try many times. Try plenty times.
Moving on to the Nigerian star player for the week and for the weekend, the goal king for the weekend. We'll talk about players who score goal. Taiwo Awoni is still continuing in sweet form. I wonder why they never still invite and put for Super Eagles squad.
That is a very good question.
He scored the winning goal for Hertha Berlin, for Union Berlin, sorry, as they win their match for inside weekend for Bundesliga. Semir Ajayi scored for West Bromwich Albion as they beat Peterborough for inside the championship. Leon Balogun, the sweet thing for him, I say he collect MVP award. Man of the match award, Naimi collector when they beat Celtic 1-0 for the Scottish Premiership. And they talk about other players. Ike Ugbo, the sweet thing for him, I say he replace another Nigerian will be Paul Onuachu and himself follow score goal. Remember, in the loan from Chelsea to Genk, and now we get 3 Nigerians who they play for Genk. Ike Ugbo, Paul Onuachu, and Series Desas. But the sweet thing is saying scoring first goal for his first match for Genk. Fantastic
Clap for
one
Nigeria. Clap for
Ugbo.
See, Timmy, my own player, now Leon Balogun. I streamed that derby. Let always Celtic and Rangers they play. It's crazy.
Old friend derby.
And also, don't say the Celtic now don't use to improve and last. They get good form for league. Celtic
forget, say
totally
they
ball
beat them
them.
home
But
and away last
Balogun, see, you get where you go play. The fans give them standing ovation after 90 minutes. Balogun not be their regular for Rangers. Now Eldada and Godson.
Yeah.
But I'm actually play from right back.
Yes, and Godson. At Tavernier get injury, their captain. Balogun puts in a fantastic shift.
Wow.
Like he hold like you. I was happy because the way they defend, put one foot.
So now Leon Balogun will be your star man for Nigeria.
100% because more they celebrate attackers. Sometimes it's good to celebrate defender because all of them.
And Jovita, you agree with him?
Totally.
Absolutely.
Just give him a kiss. Just hug him. Totally.
Papito, you
Do
disagree.
I have a choice? My friend, continue.
Yes, so now we will use draw the curtain for today RNG of Euroball. Yeah, it's based on say we don't give out the latest and all the entertainment as it concern Euroball for this RNG. I remember to subscribe to our channel like I tell now from the start. The notifications now they pop up. Just try click that subscribe button so that you go feel they get plenty of our videos and our analysis. Remember, you still get us for other places as you concern podcast. If now just voice alone in 1 year, every other place where they get your podcast from, you can always go there, go download our own because we always stay there to give now the latest from Euroball. Until I enter again next time, I catch you, I do well. Now bye Gary, now bye Rice.